Welcome to the Deep Dive. We pull back the curtain on, well, some really fascinating insights from all sorts of places. Today, we're diving into something. Well, it's pretty wild. It's a set of instructions called Quantum Leap Reality Hack, Manifestation Reset. Our mission, to kind of break down this really specific and unusual step-by-step guide for manifestation. And what grabs you right away is the opening line. It just says, your manifestation failed. Good. That's quite a start, isn't it?
It really is. Quite confrontational, almost.
Yeah, and then it tells you, very precisely, delete your vision board at 3:400 a.m. tonight. Bang. It even mentions, like, the sound of shattering glass.
It's certainly dramatic, It sets up this real sense of urgency, this ritualistic feel around a very, very specific time. Gives you a strong signal about the kind of aggressive approach it's taking towards, well, manifestation problem.
Exactly. Aggressive is a good word. And that intensity carries right through because the actual steps get even more specific and, honestly, a bit strange. Let's jump in. First is something they call the neurohack, signature scramble.
Oh.
Step one here involves whispering, my reality is upgrading. Okay, standard enough maybe, but while you're shaking your hands wildly, get this, being cross-eyed for 8 seconds.
Wow. Okay.
Right, and the source claims this specific action disrupts doubt neural pathways. What do you make of that phrasing? Disrupts doubt neural pathways. Is that meant literally, or is it more psychological?
Well, that's a key point, isn't it? It's interesting how these kinds of hacks use scientific-sounding language, neural pathways, quantum. It tries to give it legitimacy. But realistically, from a scientific view, shaking your hands and going cross-eyed, that's not a recognized way to rewire your brain, so to speak. It sounds more like they're using the language symbolically. Maybe the sheer absurdity of the action is the point, to kind of shake you out of your normal thinking patterns.
That makes sense, actually. Like the shock value is the disruption.
Yeah.
Okay, so after the signature scramble, we get step 2, the quantum shift receiving posture. It tells you again at 3:15 a.m., stand with your left palm up, that's to receive, it says, and your right palm down to ground. And while you're doing that, you affirm, I quantum jump timelines N now. It even describes seeing energy waves flowing into body. What's the deal with this quantum jump timelines idea?
So this brings in an energetic or spatial element, the hands doing specific things, receiving grounding that echoes ideas you find in various, spiritual or energy practices, and quantum jump timelines. That phrase itself is, well, it's pretty popular in some New Age thinking. It suggests you can instantly shift to a whole different reality, a different future. It sort of bypasses any idea of gradual change. It's all about immediate, boom, transformation. The now really emphasizes that urgency.
All right, so forget slow and steady. This is instant overhaul. And it's not just a one-time thing. The instructions say you do these steps for 3 nights in a row. And on night 1 specifically,